Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located in a peaceful community here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. So this property has a 3 carport area, and let's begin by exploring the ground level. Let's go. It's a beautiful late afternoon, early evening, and the lights really show how well designed the property is. I love the carport area because it's a 3-car parallel layout. So that means that you don't need to move any cars when you're going in and out. You have a storage area right here and your staff room on this side. So currently there are still some materials here because the house just finished construction and these materials are going to get cleared out in the next few weeks. And you have access towards the side of the house here. I love how large the clearance here is and it's completely tiled. This is a nice touch, having a design for the support pillars here. And it also gives you a nice vantage point as you enter your home. And on this side, I'd also like to point out how nice the landscaping is. And you can walk all around the house. And here's our main entry with a beautiful wooden door. Now welcome to your beautiful home. This is such a wide and open layout. You can see how far this wall is from the other side. There's so much you can do with the living space. You can have your television set here or here on the other side. It's up to you how you want to configure it. You have cove lighting here and a provision, especially if you're getting your own interior designer, to have your own light fixture that fits your aesthetic. And on this side, you have your dining space. Once again, you have that cove lighting. Your living and dining areas already have a split type air conditioning unit, 2 of them, Daikin branded, inverter, one here and one here on the other side. And you have 2 sliding doors here leading out to a tiled area around the house. So let me just show you. Nice landscaping all throughout here. Very relaxing, all this greenery. And if you're here at the corner, you can see it covers this side of the house as well. In terms of the screen, this is an accordion screen. So it hides away very nicely. Now from your dining area, you now have your modern kitchen. It already has quality appliances from your LG refrigerator. You have an Elba cooktop, and then an Elba oven and microwave. So the cooktop, which is an induction hob, is just about to be installed. And the house is just in the very final 1% stage of completion. That's why we still have a few construction materials that need to be cleared out and some final touches. But overall, the house is basically completed already and it's very well made. Now, from your kitchen, you have an additional auxiliary space. And you see you have another heavy sink here. And then check this out. You already have included a Samsung washer dryer setup and a dedicated laundry area. And here is your staff bathroom. Of course, the fixtures are just about to be installed. But you see floor-to-ceiling tiling. So very well organized. And you can see the 3 levels of the house from here, of this concrete structure. You have a powder room right here for your guests. I love the lighting underneath the cabinetry. Makes the cabinets look like they're floating. Set on up. So there's going to be a tempered glass barrier here that's going to be installed. Natural wood for the railings. And then if you're wondering where's the ground floor bedroom, there isn't one here to maximize the layout in the ground level, but there is a mezzanine bedroom. So this is a unique design so that you can have that spacious feel in the ground level. But still, you don't have that much distance in terms of climbing up. And this has its own ensuite bathroom as well. And it even has, on the other side, built-in storage. And now we're here. So the mezzanine bedroom is very close in terms of the level to the second level already, but it's kind of ingenious how the design was laid out. It's a very good way to maximize space. Okay. Here you have a second bedroom facing the front of the house, built-in storage already. Cabinetry feels very well made, and you have an ensuite bathroom as well with a lighted mirror. And I like that care was taken to even have indirect lighting even for the bathrooms to have that elegant feel. And you already have a Daikin split type air conditioning unit included. And check this out, even the hallway space already has that indirect lighting. So that even though there are no windows in the hallway, since it's positioned in the middle of the house, maaliwala siya in Tagalog. Right here you have your third bedroom. I love the spacing. And another thing that I want to point out is the flooring is a wooden design and it's very pulido in terms of how it's been laid out. You can barely see the grooves between the panels. You can barely see where the panels are. They've been laid out so precisely, which is a great sign of proper workmanship. Once again, air conditioning unit, storage, and then an ensuite bathroom. So we've now taken a look at 3 bedrooms so far. And it's now time to take a look at your primary bedroom right here. It's a rectangular shaped room Easy to configure for your furniture. Bed is going to be here with the 2 windows on both sides, and then you have your LAN and cable provision right here, and also provision for your CCTV cameras as well. And walk-in closet space. This is a small touch, but I like that they made this part, the cabinet, dark, because that usually gets sometimes a lot of dust, and sometimes that gets discolored if it's light. So that's a nice touch. Let's check out the cabinets here. And of course, here's your bathroom area. I love how bright it is, and I like the textured tile that they used. It's a great contrast to the tiles in the shower area. Now, we've explored so far 4 bedrooms. It's now time to take a look at the 5th bedroom at the 3rd level. Steps are easy to climb. And check that out. This is the west side of the property. You can see how beautiful the sunset is here. And here you have your 5th bedroom. This has the potential to become a master bedroom because of the size. The only thing different here is of course the ceiling height, because we can't raise this up any higher because there's a maximum height for the houses in the village, which is usually the case. But it's still very spacious because you have this additional area and walk-in closet and a bathroom. Once again, the aesthetic is consistent with what you have in the bathrooms in the 1st to 4th bedrooms. Okay, and that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.